Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have been trying to figure out how to make money online, but everything feels confusing, let me break this down in the simplest way possible. Because most beginners don't fail because they are not capable. They fail because they are overwhelmed. There are too many options, too many strategies, and no clear starting point. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step path, especially if you are starting from zero, you don't have experience, and you don't have a lot of time. Step 1. Choose one way to make money online. This is where most people get stuck. There is affiliate marketing, digital products, we have content creation, and people try to do everything. Don't do that. Pick one path and commit to learning it. Step 2. Choose one platform. You don't need to be on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook all at once. Stay with one, learn how it works, build consistency there first, then expand later. Step 3. Start creating content, even if it's not perfect. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need to show your face if you're not comfortable. Just start sharing what you're learning, what you are trying, and simple insight for beginners like you. That's how you grow. Step 4. Give this at least 30 to 60 minutes a day. Not just watching content, but actually applying. Because watching keeps you stuck. Action moves you forward. And I want to be real with you. This is simple, but it's not easy. You will feel unsure. You will feel like nothing is working at first, but that's normal. Every single person you see succeeding started exactly where you are. And if you are someone who believes in God, trust that your starting point doesn't disqualify you. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to take the next step. If you want, I will keep breaking this down step by step in a way that actually makes sense for beginners. So subscribe and let's take this one step at a time. And also comment start if you're serious about beginning. I would love to know where you are. Bye.